the destination, guys. See from there, it's about to rain, guys. So tired since morning, but guys, this is what we have to do. Yeah, we are here, guys. If you're new, this is Maj_KE. Sorry, today I'm using my phone. It's a short video. You can see where we are, like breezing. It's about to rain, guys. I don't know if you can hear me well, but guys, I miss you so much, my Nyabohansi people and everyone who is watching me. I miss you, guys. Thank you so much for always coming back, guys. We are here in this community over here. And guess what, guys? Since 4 days ago, or rather 3 or 4 days, we are here going to different places, different destinations, guys. So you may be wondering, what is Maja doing in this county? Yeah, county full of animals, full of plants, full of food, full of big lands, guys. So the reason why I'm here, guys, you can see how I'm looking. Since I came here, guys, I'm on the gumboots, like full-time work, guys. It has been every day, long day, but we are doing it in one day. So guys, I want to tell you this: if you want to own an estate, or we want to do real estate in Narok County, now you know where we are in Narok County. If you want to do it, we are the right people. We have Kudu, we have Gutu, have Pope Africa. So we are doing it, real estates. We are coming, guys, and this is a very big step that we are doing here. Yeah, see my hands, guys. They're just trying to do some holes, and you know it's very cold here, so I have some flu, so they are moving from my mouth here. So my camera today may be shaky because, you know, I'm using the phone. So we have here this is Go-To. So this is the hands of Go-To here. Yeah. So let me show you guys. Let me turn the camera. Yes, that is Go-To.
Yeah.
How are you, Go-To?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are here. Hello, beautiful family. I go by the name Go-To, the widow, first one of the elephant, Mr. Ling Way. Take, but a man can track. This is your boy here. I'm the man on the deck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one mixing.
DJ.
Mixing. Yeah, mixing.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm the one doing the mix here, and we are in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
So this is our first international job.
Yes.
Just doing some land marking here.
Yeah.
Yeah, territorial marking.
Yes.
Yes, because the owner has to be territorial as the lion.
Yes.
So we are doing the marking. The lions do the marking with the poop. We are doing with the concrete.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
at least now, yeah, the lady will be happy to see the work on the ground.
Yes.
Because you know, mostly some relatives.
You know what I was saying?
Yeah.
This is like estates, like real estates. Yeah. So guys, do you think we can do this real estate in this place, guys? This is our third place that we are here, like marking the territories. Then we are going to do maybe the real estates. You guys can guess, because we have been in a lot of the lands in this. This is our third land. Yes. Yeah, and they are very big. They are very big, guys.
Yeah,
See, guys. This is what we are doing. So get out on that seat. Come join us.
So this is Kenyan diaspora.
Yes.
Kenyan based US. She's the one who brought us here to be also the third eye witness. Most of our friends, our citizens out there for greener pasture, they work tirelessly. They bring something home to buy some assets, to own some piece of land. But at the end of the day, the relative or whatever the people they are dealing with, sending them soft copy. but hard copy is nowhere to be seen.
We are the hard copy.
Now we are the hard copy.
The hard copy of here.
Yeah.
Now, you know, Gutu,
Yeah.
this is the now real estate. I know very soon will be maybe starting real
skyscrapers will be here. Who
real
knows?
estate. You know, we'll be maybe digging down here, bringing up a very big.
Scrapers.
Hey,
I'm
my
telling
friend.
you, who knows?
Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the beginning.
Yeah.
And you know, as you watch our videos, if you have also a relative chenga hearing you in something you bought, you can be the third eyewitness, but you have to sign the deed.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
just blindly like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, we are here. See how Gutu is dressed up.
Yeah, yeah.
Eh?
This is
Top
a fighter.
handman.
Yeah.
A fighter.
And you see,
Yeah.
yeah, this sweatband.
Yes.
This one I got in World War II.
World War II.
Yeah, this one Hitler gave me this one.
Mm.
Yeah, when I was
Yeah.
operating the big war tanks. Eh?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you see me, I'm a veteran.
Veteran himself.
Yeah, veteran.
You know, guys, this this kind of sweatpant, I can make three.
This one.
Yeah.
This
Three
one, 3 or 4 sweatpants
of
from
me.
this one.
For
Because
me.
Just this one tie, you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is Gutu.
Yeah, power man.
Yeah.
No, not afraid of any job. We will
Yes.
hit as we go.
Yes.
No pain, no gain.
Of course.
Hey, nobody knows tomorrow.
Yes.
We have to fight on, no matter what.
Yes.
Yeah.
Big man. Big man. Yeah. So guys, this is
road to
5K.
5,000.
Yeah, me road to 20K
Peace.
and success.
Yo.
Yes, come away. So guys, this is where we're working today. This is our third place, guys. It's like real estate. So maybe in a few months, or maybe you can say next year, early next year, we will be doing a lot of things. So we have Kudu here, Pope. Yes, Pope, today I'm using my behind.
Have you seen that? What that cocotte is made of?
Yeah.
What is it made of?
Kokoto, made of?
What is it made
It's
of?
not
This-
kokoto.
How is it called? Blast.
Hmm?
How does cocotte called?
Ballast.
Oh, ballast.
Balenciaga. Yeah, I've seen it. Mhm.
you've realized there's a difference between these ones and the other one that we were
Of course,
using.
yeah.
I think these ones are
That
made of,
is small.
yeah, small.
Mhm.
They're made with machine.
Yeah,
And
sure.
that one made of man-made.
Man-made, yes.
So anyway guys, Pope Africa is here. I'm so glad to be seeing your channel, and I'm so excited. You know, I've never been in such environment. This is the second or the third site that we are, and probably we're winding up. So thank you so much for whoever has been supporting, everyone who is around here, and kindly continue supporting us. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. The only way you can support
Yeah,
us is
and we have a new friend. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes, how are you?
Not bad.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just pushing on.
Yeah, today we have a friend here helping us. What is your name, kindly?
Stanley Karangai.
Yes,
Stanley.
Yeah, Stanley
Yeah.
Karangai.
from
Narok.
Narok. Yes, so he's helping us also. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Yeah, so Pope.
Yeah, I was actually saying that thank you for whoever has been supporting us. God bless you abundantly. So maybe probably by today or tomorrow we'll be leaving, and mine is to thank you, just to thank you. Moso, Mama Grace, wherever you are, God bless you abundantly. Yes.
Yeah. So, is this a real estate? Guys, you guys can guess. Is it that we are now dealing with real estates? Or, yeah, you guys can just guess and tell us. But just know big things are coming. This is just the beginning, and this is our first project that we have begun in something like a real estate. Yeah?
It's a small project. It's actually big
Not
project,
small,
but we start gradually.
yeah.
Started from let's say scratch. I think God will help.
Yeah.
As time goes, everything is gonna be alright. So
Yeah.
keep on watching. Keep
Yeah.
tuned to Maja_KE.
Yes.
Keep tuned to Pope Africa, and whoever is here, kindly support us all, and God bless you.
Zege, come. So our mason here, the top mason, the top of the toppest mason here. They call him Kudu.
Yeah.
Kudu, how are you, bro?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi guys. Mr. Kudu. My name is my name is Mr. Kudu. Mr. Kudu, your work job today special for
Like landmarking.
landmarking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, okay, let me explain this. Like landmarking is the lands that so maybe we don't know, but okay, we know, but we don't want to display. We just keep watching so that you can see what is going to happen next. This is just a landmarking so that we know where the land is it reaches
The
boundaries, so that when we start the project, the big project, guys, as I told you, is it a real estate or what? Because you can't be here like whatever. This is a big thing, and it's a big county. Actually, the biggest yes. From there, Narok shopping. So we're here, and it's very cold, guys. But and it's a very fertile land. So we're here. We're trying to mark the land first before we show you the real deal. Yes, it's coming very soon. Maybe even I told you in few months or even early next year. So we'll be starting the big deal that you guys will see here. Is it real estate? As I told you, is it real estate? So you will go watch my video, the video that I'm posting. But we have a little challenge of network, but we have a video that will direct you on what we're going to do. But guys, you just guess, is it a real estate or what it is, or what is it? Yes, Pope? What is it? But you guys keep watching. This is Kudu, top mason from the village, now going up to the world. Yes. So kindly go check him out at Kudu. Subscribe, Road to Success. Road to 1,000 subscribers. God will bless you. Pull a hand. So this land is so big. It's so cold, guys. But for now we are working. Yeah, so let's start again. Yo! So that is how we do it, guys. Just a landmark. So it's not a pillar, it's just landmarking first before we start this project. So I believe this will be a very big project, and thank you so much for trusting us on doing this. And we are going to not to disappoint you guys. So guys, if you didn't know what we are doing landmarking fast, but what is going to come here is massive. So you guys keep on tuned massive. This is what I've never done. I think this now is my second time being a mason in a landmarking. And the first time I was a mason, it was on my parents' home when we were building that house. So this is my second time being a mason. But guys, we have really tried our best, and this is the best, I believe. You guys let me know down the comment section. I mean, so we are near Nairobi. Nairobi is just nearby here. Just can't see, but it's nearby here, some few kilometers. So from here to Nairobi is few kilometers. So we are building this side going to Nairobi, and then back to our village down there. So you guys keep on tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to Popeye Africa, because you'll be seeing more of this. You'll be seeing also more of this from Kudu and Kudu. Yeah, you guys keep on tuned. Let us do the work, then we will show you the end of this product. Let's go, guys. Guys, that is Popeye Africa. Yeah, doing it. Yeah. So guys, I think I should help here. Yeah. Well, wacha nikusaidie kusukuma. Yeah, maybe Popeye, you can help me here while we are going. So you know, even if you're filming, you have to do the work, guys. This is not only for one person. So yesterday that land was bigger than this, yes?
This one is bigger.
This one is bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we have tried our best. We started late, but we are trying. Yeah. So guys, at this point we have to wait for the engineer, because he knows how to mix this. So this is the top master, Kudu himself. Mzee, how are you?
Thank you. Kuchonjo. Kazi inaendelea poa.
Yes.
Na tunashukuru Mungu. Pia weather yetu iko sawa.
Yes.
Nataka kunyesha.
Yes. So mzee is saying that the weather is good. Unaweza ongea kizungu mzee?
Yeah, tumeongea.
Tumalizie.
Sawa, tumalizie.
Oh, so mzee is saying a very good friend of mine right now, and he has been here for us, also helping us, knowing the county. Yes, so you guys, I told you, guess this is a real estate or what? So you guys will guess down the comment section. Let us know if we are up to real estate. So this is what Gutu is doing here. Hey, Mzee, kazi iko poa?
Kazi iko poa.
Yeah, the work is good. That is what the Mzee is saying. And Pope is already there. Hey, wow, wow. So this is Narok County. Look at that. Ile inaitwa nini? Ile mlima.
Mount Longonot.
Wow, Mount Longonot over there.
Gani hii?
Ile.
Ile alafu ile Mount Suso.
Mount Suso. Wow. So beautiful, guys. Scenery is so beautiful. This place is so nice. I can maybe have a house here. I don't know, but it's a beautiful place. But because I have yeah, but then guys, sorry, but then guys, we have to make ends meet. So the road only the main road passes over there. Sorry. Yeah, so yeah, Pope, this see how Pope is running. Yes, we are running. We don't want the rain to catch us. See, the rain is coming from up there. The land is so big. Yeah. Tumebakisha ngapi? Mbili? Tatu. Only remaining with three. So let's work, guys. I will be showing you more. So keep on tuned. Don't worry, my camera today is shaking. You know, today I'm using my phone, guys, because my camera went off early. And you know, we have to charge all the gadgets. And the most important is the camera and the phone. The most important thing is the phone communication. You know, we are the middle of nowhere. See guys. Yeah, so just keep on tuned and everything will be well. Yeah, two is over there. Go to see how good. Hey! Working, guys. So very soon real estates are coming. So if you want to check on like people who can make the small, hizi zinaitwaje hizi vitu ndogo ndogo tunaweka, what are they called? Marking pillars. So you're putting the marking pillars. So we are going to start the project very soon, as I said before we started even this video, guys. So keep on tuned. What is coming is very big and very huge. So wait until you see what is coming. This is Maja_KE. Let's finish up before the rain, then I will update you guys. Let's go, Masai land. Yeah, guys, we are done here. So everything is over. As you can see, we are very fast, guys, and I really like the energy here. The energy is so big. 4-man army, guys. You can see we are 4-man army, and we were helped with our friend here, also from this village, from Masai, and I can call him Uncle our Mzee.
Yeah.
Yes, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes, so we are done, guys, and everything is well. Kudu is trying to finish up here with the waves. Kudu,
Yeah.
how was the day?
Day imekuwa vizuri.
Yes.
Siku ya leo tumefanya kazi
Yeah.
na kazi imetoka vizuri. Tulianza muda imeenda, lakini tumejitahidi
Yes.
na tukamaliza. Kwa
Yeah.
hiyo finali itakuwa ni kesho.
Tomorrow.
Tumalize kesho turuke boda.
Yes.
Nyabanse
So
vile.
yeah, so guys, Kudu what is trying to say that we have tried our best. It was late, but fortunately we have tried our best, and we have completed this 1 acre plus some points here, guys. And yeah, so we are complete. Gutu is over there also doing a video. So we are done with this. Yeah, how are you? Pope is here, guys. Yes,
We are done with
so
this.
happy. Yes.
Yeah, today I'm so happy because we are done in good time.
Yeah.
At the right time, exactly. So we have
Yes.
enough time to rest.
Yeah.
So that tomorrow, guys, we're going to the final site.
Yes.
The final site. So keep tuned, guys. And tomorrow,
Yeah.
I'm going to drop a brand new video. So go check.
Whoa! We have a lot of video, guys.
Don't
Yeah.
forget Pope.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, boss.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Sir. Not sir. So we are going back home, guys. This is what we have been doing here, guys. Yeah. marking of the land. Finally guys, so without further saying, I want to thank you so much, you guys, for supporting us. To this far is God, and you guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. I'm so happy because I was first in the morning, I was like, are we really going to finish this place in time before rain or before dark comes? But anyway, you can see me, I'm smiling guys, and it's amazing. Yeah, so all I want to say, peace, love and positive vibes to my fans. Guys, we are going too far, and all I want to say, let's push, let's do amazing things, let's be positive, let's support each other. No matter what, we will do it guys. Let's support our village to the top notch. Peace, love and positive vibes. Until my next video, this is Maj_KE. Peace and love. Until my next video, this is Narok County. Peace.